welcome back to my channel. Today we'll bring back some childhood memories as I'll show you how to transform into Barbie. Ready to get dolled up? Shh, humans.
I'm gonna make it so pretty.
We have to go.
Oh, okay.
Ken can do a better job than this. Oh my. Let's play. I'm already wearing Fairy Moonlight Blue lenses by Oh My Kitty. I start off by covering my eyebrows. To see this step, please look at my how to cover eyebrows video suggested up in the right hand corner. As my eyes are slightly hooded, it makes it easier to achieve this look by using eyelid tape. After priming, I'm using Infallible Total Cover by L'Oreal mixing shades Golden Beige and Porcelain for that full coverage, flawless plastic skin. After using foundation on your eyes, use a brown eyeliner starting below the teardrop, curve it up and draw a new crease above your natural one and extend it out quite a bit. Blend it slightly. I'm using MAC Chromaline in pure white to fill in the new crease and pressing on white eyeshadow to set it. Then Bobbi Brown gel eyeliner in black ink. Extend it out quite a bit. Use a light nude eyeshadow over the top of the new crease. You can't get away with doing a classic Barbie look without using pink, so I'm using the perfect Barbie pink eyeshadow with the fitting name Dollipop by SugarPill. For the fun part, to achieve Barbie's big doll eyes, I'm using white Kohl liner by MAC under my eyes. No, I'm not heavily lightening my dark circles, leaving a gap under the pupil. Also on both corners of my waterline. Using brown gel eyeliner by Inglot, I'm drawing a new bottom lash line. Next, I'm roughly painting the shape I want my extended iris to be by using MAC Chromaline in Hi-def Cyan. I'm starting where my real iris begins and extending it all the way to the end of the eye. When you're happy with the shape of the eyes and iris, I found the best way to make the colors really pop is to fill them in using MAC Acrylic Paint. I'm using Hi-def Cyan on the iris, pure white on the eye white, and Marine Ultra to outline the iris. I actually did this look for a night out a couple years ago and people loved it. I did a version where I drew the eyes on top of my lid, but this time I'm using the technique used by the amazing Miss Gay Matte. I'll put a link in the description, so you don't need to keep your eyes shut all night like I had to. I've also mixed pure white with a tiny amount of Hi-def Cyan to paint little highlights to make them more 3D. Use a blue eyeliner on the waterline above the blue area. I'm then using the Inglot brown eyeliner again to define the crease. Use a brown eyeshadow such as the Chaser by NYX to fade out the line and on the outer corners and also along your new bottom lash line. Reapply some black eyeliner if any of the brown got onto it. To draw the eyelashes, I'm using Bobbi Brown gel eyeliner, but to make it easier to apply, I'm mixing some Inglot Duraline in with it to make it runnier, as it will glide more easily. Use a brown eyeliner to draw bottom lashes. Then Too Faced Better Than Sex, which is my absolute favorite mascara at the moment. I'm mixing the brown and white color from the Wolf Face Art and Effects palette and drawing Barbie shaped eyebrows. I'm using concealer to clean up the shape. Then some white eyeshadow just below the eyebrows, avoiding the drawn eyelashes. Here I'll show you where to add shadow and highlight. Blend it well. I'm using the Too Faced Love Hangover blusher, adding just a hint of color to the apples of the cheeks, blending it out towards the ear and along the hairline. Then Kevyn Aucoin sculpting powder in medium to accentuate the shadows. For lips, I'm starting with MAC lip pencil in Talking Points to draw a new lip shape. Followed by SugarPill in Girl Crush for the perfect signature pink Barbie lips. To make them more doll-like, I'm using a brown color on the bottom of the top lip and highlighting the bottom lips using Kryolan TV stick in white. My hair is already blonde, but I felt like it would be even more Barbie doll-like to use a wig. I'll add the name of the wig in the description, where you can also find all the products I used to achieve this look.
She's coming back. Thanks for watching. Have a plastic fantastic time. Make sure you subscribe and I'll see you next time.
To celebrate 1 year on YouTube, I'm doing a Barbie inspired makeup giveaway on my Instagram in the next few days, so make sure you check it out. Thank you so much for all your love and all your support.